I don't recommend any of you guys right now spending any money in marketing. And the reason I don't, because A, you probably don't know what a motivated seller is. Even if you know it by definition, if you see a motivated seller, you're not going to recognize it. Two, if you're out here paying money for marketing and you don't have phone skills, you don't have negotiation skills, you don't have sales skills, you don't have report building skills, okay? You're not going to get as many deals hatched as possible, okay? And man, so your money's going to be gone in marketing, okay? So I don't want anybody to do this. So what I'm going to show you guys is the basic, like the gym. We're going to go out there, we're going to do pull-ups, we're going to do squats, we're going to do bench presses, we're going to do the basic stuff to build your foundation, so when you go out there and spend your hard-earned money, you're able to monetize that money. You put $1 in, you get 6 out in that marketing function, okay? That I'll show you on how to do more marketing with money down the line, okay? But right now we're gonna focus on free or very low money. Remember, nothing is free in life, so if you're gonna put time in, it still costs you money, because time equals money and money equals time, okay? But that's a great thing, guys, okay? That's only in America, okay? Other part of the world is not like that. Where I'm from, it's not like that, guys. Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.